Namaste, I'm Archana Pammi. Welcome back to my channel. This is the how-to for Parivritta Trikonasana or the revolved triangle pose. All I am using is a block. You may replace the block with a chair or a stool as well. So let's get started. You're going to face the top edge of the mat, just collecting one of the block and placing them in the center. You're facing the top edge of the mat, stepping the right foot next to the block, adjusting the distance. Your foot are slightly shoulder width apart, not more than that, not too wide, not too less either. As you can see, both the feet are not in the same line. You want to keep them slightly away from each other such that your hips stay squared and are facing the top edge of the mat. Now this is a revolved or rotated pose, so there's going to be a twist. So inhale, arms up. As you exhale, you twist to the right side, placing the left palm on the block. If not the block, you could place them on your shin, on your ankle, beside the foot, top of the foot. The final pose is outside the foot. So while I am working on this, I like to place it here. Gaze up, extend the upper arm as though lifting your body away from you. Your back foot pressing into the mat, staying extended. If you have knee issues, you may do a micro bend on your knees so that it is not completely extended. Staying here for a few seconds. Also gazing down if required, if still struggling with balance. Now as you exit out of the asana, bending the knee, lifting up, inhale and release. Now we're going to be doing it on the left side. So I'll place the block in the center. Just to align the block, I'm placing the left foot right next to it, the right foot slightly away and behind, such that we're getting a little bit of shoulder distance. Hips stay squared and facing the front, the back of the mat now. Inhale, inhale, arms to the side, and as you exhale, you twist your body towards the left side, placing the right palm next to the feet, on the ankle, or on the shin, or in my case, a block. Gaze up at the upper hand. The upper hand is lifting your body away from the mat. Back feet pressing actively into the mat. If you're struggling for balance, like right now because I'm speaking and doing it, it's a big no-no, but it is what it is. I'm going to look down to find the balance. Staying here for a few seconds. Keep breathing, inhale, exhale. Look down, bend the knee, inhale, lift the arms up, exhale, stepping out. Now this is known as the Parivritta Trikonasana or the revolved triangle pose. Like with any twist, this also helps in digestion and also helps in elimination of toxins. And because of the twist, when we did Trikona, there was just waist fat reduction. Now because of the twist, there is also going to be abdominal fat reduction. This is one of the poses that you can always do standing. If it is very intense, use blocks, fix your gaze at a lower level. Those who are having knee pains, again, do not lock your feet completely. You could do a light micro bend so there is not too much of an extension and the knee is not completely extended. And the last thing is, if the block is too low, you can always place a chair and place your arm on top of the chair so that you find more balance as well. So that was Parivritta Trikonasana. Hope this was beneficial. Namaste.